Okay, for question number 5 में दिया है a given graph with a histogram which represents the number of plants of different heights in a school campus. We have to study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So these are on the vertical axis has the number of plants, which is the frequency, and these are the class intervals with the heights in centimeters. On the x-axis, we have to make a frequency table with respect to the class boundaries and their corresponding frequencies. Okay, so let's make a frequency table, and this is part A, subpart A of the first part. So question number fifth, one, and part A. Okay, now we have to make the frequency table. So let's make the frequency table for this one, where the number of frequencies are on the vertical axis and the class marks or the class intervals are on the x-axis. So we have to, that is the height in centimeters of the plants is on x-axis. So height that is in centimeters, which is in centimeters. Okay, and the first one, as you see, it's 0 to 30, 30 to 40. So let's make the class intervals 0 to 30. Then next one, it's 30 to 40. Then, so 0 to 30. In this case, sorry, for 0 to 30, we don't have anything. So let's skip that. Let's start from 30 to 40. So we will start from 30 to 40. So this is 30 to 40. Then it's 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and then 90 to 100. Okay, now let's put down the frequency. Okay, the frequency for 30 to 40. This graph, this bar is still a height of 4, so it's 4, then 2, 8, 12, 6, and this should be 3, and then 4 again. So let's put in the values of the frequencies. It's 4, 2, 8, then 12, then 6, then 3, and then 4. And let's make out the total as well. So the total number of plants in this case are 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 14, and 12 is 26, and 6 is 32, and 3 is 35, and 4 is 39. So these are 39. Okay, now next is question was, so we have done with the frequency table and the corresponding frequency state the model class. So model class is the one with the highest frequency, which is 12. So 60 to 70 is the model class. So we can write that the model class here is with the limit 60 to 70. Now from the given histogram, we have to find a mode. So how do we find mode from the histogram? For with for this, uh, let's take the highest bar, and from its right corner, let's draw a line to the this right corner of the immediate previous bar, and from the left to the left of the immediate next bar. And this line intersects here. These two lines intersects here. So this, if we draw perpendicular from there to the x-axis, it meets somewhere at 64. So it has, so 60 to 70 has 10 divisions. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that means it's 64. So this value is 64, where this line meets the x-axis. So here the mode is 64. So mode is equal to 64. Okay, the next one, we have to identify and note down the mode of the distribution. It's done. Find the number of plants whose height range is between 80 to 90 centimeter. So for 80 to 90 centimeter, the number of plants that we have, it should be 3 for 80 to 90. So number of plants whose height ranges. So let's draw a line from here to this. And this is exactly the midway of 2 and 4. So this is 3. And so that's the answer. So number of plants that has height, whose height it ranges between 80 to 90. That is equal to 3. The number of plants whose height is between 80 to 90 is 3 from the histogram. Then the next one. The angle of elevation of the top of a 100-meter high tree from the 2 points A and B on the opposite side of the tree are 52 and 45 degrees respectively. We have to find the distance AB to the nearest meter. So all these are the right angle triangles. We have to find AB. So we have to find AB, and AB has to be AB होगा AC plus CB. So इसका मतलब हमें निकालना है AC और CB. तो पहले लेते हैं right angle triangle ADC. So this is right angle triangle ADC. इसमें हम लगाएंगे tan 52 डिग्री. तो tan 52 डिग्री हो जाएगा P by B, which is perpendicular is DC and AC. और tan 52 की जो वैल्यू है from the table वो है 1.279. So this is 1.279. DC है 100 AC. और इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने पे मिलेगा आपको 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.279. 1.279 which is equal to 100. ये हो जाएगा, इसमें लग जाएंगे 3 0 और 1279. आप इससे डिवाइड करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 78.18 मीटर. 78.18 मीटर ये निकल गया इस. नाउ हम कंसिडर करेंगे दूसरा राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. दिस इज राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल DCB. इसमें भी वही tan का रेशियो लगाएंगे. tan 45 डिग्री हो जाएगा DC by CB. Now tan 45 is 1, DC is 100 and CB, which gives me CB हो जाएगा 100 मीटर. और हमें प्रिंट आउट करना है AB. तो AB है AC और CB का सब. AC है 78.18 प्लस DC which is 100. DC है 100 तो ये हो जाएगा 178.18 मीटर. तो 178.18 मीटर is the answer. और क्वेश्चन में दिया है ओके यहाँ पूछा है टू द नियरेस्ट मीटर. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस AB टू द नियरेस्ट मीटर. तो इसे हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू है 1 तो वो है 5 से कम. तो लेट दिस बी. इसे हम इसको हम ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. ये हो जाएगा 178 मीटर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. ओके सो दिस सॉल्व्स. इसके साथ ही ये सॉल्व हो गया और हमारा हो गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th सॉल्व. Let's move on to question number 6.